back with another video, and finally I have the latest Pixelify, which is beta 2.1 and latest build updated. So let's get it started and what's new and what we can get in that Pixelify Magisk module. So let's get it started, and first of all I need to install that Magisk module, and I will show you guys the full installation process. So your device must be rooted with Magisk Manager. So go to module section, go to install from storage, and of course here is that Pixelify 2.1 beta 6 zip. Just follow that process, and you need to press volume up and volume down key for selecting, installing, and ignoring. So let's see, and your internet connection must be ready for that, and it's asking volume key, and I'm installing Pixelify module and extracting files. Network connection needed, and it's asking for that. So 53 megabyte, and I am selecting volume up for installing and downloading the files. So now it's started downloading, so it will take some time, and I'm skipping this portion. Now another portion is here. If you are facing problem with audio, then don't. Do you want to enable now playing? If you want to install that one, then you guys can press yes, and I don't need that, so I am selecting down button to no. And installing Android system intelligence. This module actually provides you some extra features like dynamic wallpapers, and which is Pokemon sidekick wallpapers, and latest Google Android assistant. And this module will work on your latest Android 12 12.1 devices, no problem with that, even in Android 13 devices. And this also done. Now if you want to create backup of Android system intelligence, yeah, I want that, so I'm pressing yes, so that next time I am going to install that module, it won't take so much time if you take a backup. Then so it's again asking, do you want to install Google Dialer feature? Of course yes, then you can select that yes button, that means volume up button, and it will provide you the Pixel launcher if your custom ROM doesn't have it. And again network connection needed, and press of course yes, that means the volume up button, and it will start downloading. It will take some time due to download process. You need to download some files like wallpapers and other things, Android intelligence. And again you guys can see installing Pixel live wallpapers, that means the Pokemon sidekick wallpapers. And do you want to create backup of Pixel live wallpapers? If you need a backup, then press yes, otherwise press volume down button. I don't need that right now, so that's why. Again scroll down, network connection needed, and if you don't need to download, do you want to download Google styles and wallpapers, then of course press yes, I need that one, and it's downloading. Just focus here. And also you guys will get the Pixel boot animation. If you need that Pixel boot animation, then press volume yes. If you don't need, then press down. So I don't need that one, that's why I'm pressing the volume down button. And then again scroll down, and network connection needed. Do you want to install and download Pixel launcher? If you want to install the Pixel launcher, then of course press yes. I'm just installing this one. And look here on the network indicator, and it's working, that means it's downloading. Video is getting longer because I'm showing you the full installation process. And when you download any files, then it will ask for take a backup, but I don't need that backup of Pixel launcher, so I'm pressing no, that means volume down button. And then of course we do you want to install Google settings service? If you need that one, then press yes of course, and then it will start downloading. And it will ask you to install extreme battery saver and other things, and if you need that, of course press yes, and it will do that. and this is thing installing extreme battery saver, and it's done. So every single process has been done, and you guys can see here the reboot button. Now reboot and you will get what you installed. So I'm skipping that portion, just do reboot. And finally device booted, and after booting it instantly asking me to use the launcher. That means we installed the Pixel launcher using that Magisk module, so that's why it's now asking us to select the home application, that means the launcher. So I'm using right now, I just want to select Pixel launcher right now and keep it always. And if you face any problem, just do like this and it will work. So it's working. And now previously I had the Superior OS launcher and whatever Lunar launcher, whatever you say, but in that one now I have the Pixel launcher, which is cool thing. And of course we will get the latest features of Google Assistant, and which is from Android 13 and other things, which will work. You have to install some other things like Android Assistant and other things. That's why it's not working right now. And let's open the settings and type here default home. And default home app, and just select the Pixel launcher. Now you are good to go. So now it's working fine. Now you will get the suggestions and smoothness, everything will work perfectly, no issues with that. And now let me show you the other things, and this is the UI, which is very latest one from Android 13. So this is great things. And let me show you the home settings. Now we have that Pixel launcher, so that's why it's like this, and people already know about that. And of course wallpaper and style, open that one and change wallpaper, click on that and you will get live wallpapers from Pixel, and which is solid colors and wallpaper and styles. And this is wallpaper and styles, you guys can select like this. And we need some live wallpapers, and which is here live wallpapers, you guys can select, and when it will appear just click OK, home screen and lock screen, and wallpaper successfully set. So that's cool feature, I guess. And if you know about that, this is a really cool features on wallpapers, whatever you want to say. I had a video on it, and previously more than 1 or 2 years ago maybe, and it will change the UI. Pokemon sidekick wallpapers, it looks really cool, and it will jump if you touch it, just like this. And then other things like Google Photos, it will enable you the unlimited Google Photos storage if you have the Google Photos. Let me show you that. So here you guys can see this Pixel can back up unlimited photos and videos at no charge. So that will enable you the unlimited Google Photos storage and other things. Every single things will work very fine without any issues. And in that ROM this is a problem, so that's why the assistant not working, but on you it will work fine. And if you enable that feature, that's really cool. And here you guys can see flashlight on off feature. If you want to use that, of course you guys can do that. Hope you guys understand the video. If you like my work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching.